With a history of more than 400 years, Chongqing spicy noodles is not only a famous local dish in China's Chongqing, but also an emerging industry with a growing global market.
Eating above Chongqing xiaomian is a daily routine for its local people. With a history of over 400 years, Chongqing xiaomian has evolved from a street food to a big industry. Not just limited to its offline shops, Chongqing xiaomian has also made its headway in ready-to-eat market and captured the heart of consumers all over the world.
At present, there are about 84,000 spicy noodle shops in Chongqing, with more than 500,000 employees in the whole industrial chain and an annual output value of more than 14 billion yuan. An industrial park was launched in Chongqing's Dadukou district in August 2021, which is aimed at cultivating a larger market for its signature noodles.
我们现在出口的国家差不多有十几个国家，中国，然后新加坡这些地方，国外还有一些网站，一些华人网站和一些华人超市也有售卖我们的产品。